Doomsday is coming. On January 1st, 2027, the massage industry in Singapore and Malaysia will change forever. A ticking clock, counting down to game over. If you're a massage therapist without an official certificate, you're about to be purged from the industry. The Ministry of Manpower isn't bluffing. New HR rules mean no certificate, no work permit. Imagine it, your passport stamped, rejected. Your skills, your experience, suddenly worthless. You're sitting alone, unemployed, watching your dreams slip away. The fast track? Gone. After the deadline, the only way in is 2 years of full-time study for SKM 3 or DKM 4 certification. No shortcuts, no second chances, locked out of the highest-paying market in Asia. But there's one last chance. A single escape route. TIM Bodycare Massage Academy. They offer the 30-day fast-track PPT-PPA program. It's your only shot to convert your experience into an official SKM 3 or DKM 4 license, before the law slams the door shut. You don't have to throw away years of hard work, but you must act now. Hear that clock? It's ticking faster. Time is running out. If you wait, you'll regret it forever. Don't let your massage career expire. Apply to TIM Bodycare today, before 2027 destroys your future. The door is closing. This is your final warning. Act now, or get left behind.